Stella's got a cool Christmas project at school. We have to, it's Christmas around the world. So the country that she picked was Poland. And so we're gonna make a really cool, I guess it's like a little Polish dessert. And I cannot pronounce it. I will just be brutally honest, but they're also known as angel wings. And it's just really good, like flavored fried bread. So we're gonna head out and go get the ingredients at Safeway. That's our grocery store. And then we're gonna come home and we're gonna make these things, man, because they're so cool. And they're delicious. And apparently they melt in your mouth, so sign me up, you know? All right, let's go. Okay, you ready for Chrusciki?
Yes.
Okay. All right, let's go do it.
Let's go.
You're only gonna need a little bit anyways.
Okay.
All right, let's go get some powdered sugar. Oranges. Yep, and then we need a lemon. Apples. Let's go look at the orchids. Oh, look at the blue ones, Ben.
Wait, that's a blue one.
Don't touch, don't touch. Only your eyes, please, sir. Oh, Christmas! That's a cute deer.
That's right. Whoa, we get
Here, let me
that.
see. All right, here. Let's go get some powdered sugar, Ben.
Santa.
I know. Oh, yeah, look, there is Santa. All right. And you got lemons, too?
How many?
Just one.
Yeah.
All right, we need powdered sugar. Look, nice. Here's powdered sugar. Saran wrap. Oil.
Oil, yes.
And vanilla.
Oh, can I sell horse?
Well, those are like Ziploc bags. Yeah, let me see them.
Oh, that. I didn't see
What
it.
is that? You're silly.
It's a cat.
It is a cat. I'm going to put that up. I'm not going to be home with that. Pure vanilla. Okay. Cool. Getting ready to cook these little Polish cookies, and I was cleaning off our kitchen island and I found a little piece of bacon, and then I also found this little tiny Jesus, and I realized that you could literally crawl across our table and eat bacon and worship Jesus if you chose to. So I hope these cookies are good. All right, let's get started. Okay, I think I have everything I need. But it's not my Christmas project. So let me go get the La Estudiante. I think that's correct. And figure out all of our goods. Okay, so we are making
Chrusciki.
Polish angel wings.
Chrusciki.
Okay, tall people problems. Or maybe just like not good enough photography tool problems. I'm gonna show you what we're making. We'll see if it works out. What you making, Ben?
I make a ball gun.
Oh, nice! Bubble gum?
Yeah.
That is awesome.
Mom, I made the eye.
Oh, you did make some eyes. Those are cool, dude.
Oops, pull up. It's a robot. Okay.
4.
5.
Do.
I make a pancake.
You are making pancake?
Yeah.
I love it.
I make it an egg.
I know, I love it. Sadie's sniffing her. You're doing good. Frying station right back there. You know, I've decided, whenever we get you, whenever you want to get a phone.
Yeah.
You know what I've decided?
What?
I think a flip phone. A flip phone. It's going to be the best option. I can't wait to pick one out for you. It's going to be awesome. I'm thinking like
We're not living in the
Nokia,
1950s anymore, Mom.
TAC, StarTAC, Motorola. It was this little like, it was so tiny, had a little antenna. You pulled it out. It was like, hello, how are you? It's gonna be awesome. Or it's a tiny Nokia. It's
Vincent
like
took my phone and he like threw it on the ground.
I mean, if you just want to have a phone, if you want to get like a phone. You want a phone? I think a flip phone. I think a flip phone.
I want a phone. I want an iPhone 8.
Elves be tripping. Elves be tripping.
Wait, I want... a roller coaster.
Oh, interesting.
Very good.
No, good.
Oh, orange is really
I kind of want some honey on mine. Mine's a little thicker. Mine almost reminds me of like a soda beer.
It's probably... Ooh, the air tastes good now.
I love you forever.
Oh.
Alright. I had fun with you.
Me too.
Polish Angel Wings. Vlogmas 2018.
Try them out, they're good.
They're good. Bye.
Bye.